I think this kitchen is a bit dated.
Okay.
Harry! What? Our flowers are blooming.
What?
Can I have dinner at your house today? So this right here, this part of the lamp, that's just a rod. You say that you're a genius, right? But I think I'm smarter than you. Hey, you want to take a trip to Stockholm? The part of Gravity Falls where the lady was talking to Stan, and she's like, oh, you're a riot. Mom walked into my room and I just had to put my game on a halt.
Who took care of this iPad?
I'm really glad I'm able to go to IKEA. It lacks a whole bunch of pug items. Hey, Billy, how are you today? God, how many people are called Bill? Oh, that's this. That's Finby. Grimness. Billy. I must say, your videos are really fantastic.
But can you do this?
Just in a minute. Guess your favorite anime. Is it Attack on Titan? Hey, Ellie. Do you guys do senior service?
Whoa there, my name is Mickey Mouse. You wanna go somewhere?
It's Alex. And also, remember Goofus and Gallant from, highlights?